Hey, what's going on, traders? How you guys doing today? Beautiful day. I'm gonna make this video very quick, guys, because I actually got to get out of here. I'm super late. Um, but anyway, I don't even know how many trades I made. I made like freaking 8 trades today. I definitely overtraded. I will not deny that I overtraded super heavily. I think out of those 8 or 9 trades, I'm like six. I'm like 6 of 8 or 7 of 9. I had two losing trades, so if I had 9 trades, then that makes it 7 for 9. If it was 8 trades, I was 6 for 8. Um, it was on four. Is it four? Yeah, I had it on 4 stocks. I was over trading like a mug. You can tell I just came back, and I was excited to be back. uh, but anyway, that's where commissions kill you guys. That's why you got to be very selective in your stock trading. I left some money on the table, definitely, and one of those, the ones that I got wrong, it was actually supposed to be right, but I got out of it just a hair too early. It went down near my stop, and I just got out, but it never hit my stop, and it went up to where I thought it would go. That was on AXTI. So I actually had like almost $200 of winnings on AXTI, but I gave some of it back. Anyway, real quick, guys. First trade of the day. If you guys were watching me pre-market, let me get this over here. If you were watching me pre-market, I took a stab at let me see here. I got it the wrong way. Oh yeah, NBEV was the first one. I took it in pre-market. Um, Took one stab. It was the wrong thing to do. That was my first trade. I'm kind of rusty. I was like freaking. It's been a couple days since I've been trading, so that first trade knocked me off. I got in 614, got out 590. It just dropped like a the bottom fell out on it. So sometimes that happens to you guys. Like it's crazy. The bottom just literally falls out, and it just falls on you guys. And that's what happened. I was at 614. I had like a stop at like 607, but it just dropped. So anyway, that was that. I took another one at the bell. I did get it 587 to 602. A little quick bounce play. I really can't even go over it. I got to get out of here, guys. But anyway, you can see the trades here. All the trades I made. Last trade was at 1108. And that was it, guys. But you can see, look at the commissions, man. The commissions and fees. $90 and 32. So that's like almost $130 in fees. So I made $246 today, but after commissions, $123. So that's why you got to be very selective in your trading because that, especially at when you're down here in this level, commissions are will eat you, will make you or break you. So that's why you have to be very selective and pick only certain stocks. Don't trade too many times. I'm an example of that. Look at me now. Look at my P&L. Look at the account details here. This shows you everything you need to know. Commissions $89, fees $32. Might as well say $33. Realized was 246.75, but after commissions 123. All right, guys. I would like to go over all of these guys, but I got to get going. I just wanted to make a video. I did make a trade. What it was like last? Was it? What's the day? Thursday, like Monday or Monday, I think it was. I made a crazy trade. I was at 100. My account was at 840, and it drew me down to 667. I forget how much I lost. I lost like 100 and like almost $200, like $170 on one. Just a bad trade I took that day. So I told myself when I come back, I got to get more focused, get back on track on my strategy. I see what happens is every now and then, if my strategy doesn't show up, then I just kind of like fiddle in other little things. Trying out other things in the middle of the day. You're supposed to be back. I'm supposed to be back testing it, not just trying the stuff out in the middle of the day. So that's what I was doing, like kind of getting bored that my strategy didn't show up anywhere. So I said, let me try some of these new things, and I paid for it. But anyway, I'm back. 246 was the realized today. 4 stocks total. ACRS, AXTI. I'll go ahead and go over to it so you can see it. So AXTI, I took a couple swings at it, and I went long and short. Actually, I went long. Now this is where I could have got a lot of meter to move, but I left. I left a lot on the table here. I went long 525, got out at 538. I went back long 540, Added 547, got out at 558, so that was like 18 cent. But as you can see, it went up to 593. I got out at 558, and I also went short. Now you see here, I went short 572 up here, like right here, and I didn't hold this long enough. I got out at 567. You see what I'm saying? So that was just 5 cent, but you all see from 572, it got all the way down here to 519. Like, gee whiz, see what I'm saying? I left a lot of money on the table, guys. This could have been like $1,000 day, but that's the one thing I'm going to be working on. But I got to get out of here, guys. The last one I took was ACRS. Make this real quick. ACRS. I just saw it had problems holding up this 680 area here, and also if you see in pre-market, it was there as well. If you see pre-market here, it was at the 581. It got to 582. It was holding it. You know what I mean? Hold on. So I said, let me go ahead and jump in for a short. Sure enough, I got in. Again, I didn't hold it to the full potential. I got out. I got in at 679. Got out at 669. But as you can see here, it's down to 640s. So I'm leaving a lot of money on the table, guys. So it's important, man, to hold the winners because on the losing days I'm holding the losers. You know what I mean? But the winning days I'm not holding the winners. So I definitely got to work on that. Um, but that's it for today, guys. If I could leave you guys with anything, guys, just stick with your strategy. Don't mess around and try other stuff. If you're gonna try some other stuff, just do it back testing. Do it in a simulation. Don't do it in real trading until you see that whatever you're testing does actually work. Learn from my mistake. Stick to your strategy. If your strategy doesn't show up that day, or if you don't see what you're looking for, then don't trade it. I know that's hard to do. Sit on your hands, but that's what you got to do. All right, guys, that's it for today. I'll catch you on the next one.